Yeah.
Thomas, I'm mean.
Can you see us?
Yes, go.
Don't run down my car battery.
It won't be long.
Don't punch me here. Don't punch me there.
You should watch me. Oh, we're double teaming? Yeah.
Oh, far.
He's letting both of them take him. He ain't got on no headgear. My mom will be having a fucking bad attack. Y'all are running from him.
John, you're supposed to be having practice for tomorrow.
He's got a time.
Pull back.
Just knocked him.
Thomas. Okay, I can't see. John, you're supposed to be fighting someone tomorrow. You're pussy. John, how are you really gonna fight someone tomorrow?
What are you gonna do? Run away? John, are you gonna run away the whole time?
You're making Makavion do all the work here.
Makavion already got clocked.
What are y'all doing with these Amazon throws?
Johnny's like that little kid in the fight that comes in at the end just to like, get one punch in.
Yeah.
Just to say he was involved.
Thomas just doing that. And he's gone.
This is not okay. Make me have this baby.
Just lay down. Just lay down, Makavion.
Because your partner sucks.
You have no help.
Thomas, I want you to put headgear on.
One reason why John's tired is because he's been
John, just hit him.
If I hit him in the head, he's gonna get mad at me.
He's already mad at you because you're not hitting him. So either way, you're screwed.
If I hit him, he's gonna get mad at me.
You have gloves and headgear.
He can block your hit.
Now you just got knocked in your dome piece.
John's not getting
Nope.
John's crying in the fetal position.
My head, my head hurts.
He's getting up. He's rolling up.
John, quit moving your feet so fast. You're going to fall over like before. What are you going to do? Trip yourself?
Fast feet. Fast.
Don't hit him from behind.
Distract him with the feet. John's down for the count.
John, you keep hitting me in my head. John, you gonna make me coffee.
Paulo.
One thing is, don't hit me in my head. Don't hit me in my head.
Just body shot. Makavion, body shots hurt more. Yeah, they do. Let Thomas hit you in the body.
Okay, come take the gloves off. Y'all need to work the bag.
You still want some? I'll let you get some. Mom, get one hit in. What? Use your left hand. If I use one left hand, one of y'all have to go. There.
He doesn't even hit with his left hand. Are you stupid?
Thomas, take one glove off. Put that glove hand.
He's covering his face. He can cover his face. Your car lights just went off.
I didn't hit you, so stop whining.
Hold this.
It didn't. It shuts off. It's a smart car.
Pause. Hey, we gotta turn off the lights. Pause. Man, pause. Man, I can't feel my foot. You wait. Bro, that ain't funny. You can't hit me in my head nowhere right here.